Uh, hey Mario. Yes, Sugar Little. Me, Runt and Toad, we're gonna go to a Walmart. So, do you want to come? No thanks, Sugar Little. I'm gonna stay here with Luigi. Okay. Well, I need you to watch those. I need you to watch those three troublemakers. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. I'm gonna go. See you later. See you later, Sugar Little. Hey Mario, look what I got. Oh, you got Mario Party Superstar. Yes, I got a Mario Party Superstars. Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Where'd you get it? I got it from the GameStop. You got it from the GameStop? Yeah, I got it from the GameStop. It's so cool. Wow, that is really cool. Yeah, it is really cool. So you want to see it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Wow, Luigi, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So all I got is yeah, this is cool. Yes, I got it from GameStop anyways. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna take the game out now. So Mario, you wanna watch me play? Sure. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take this Mario Party Superstars to our room. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now I got this Switch. Alright. So, ready to watch me play? Sure. Okay. Alright, now I'm just gonna turn it on. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, Sugar wants me to use it. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright. I hope you're ready. Yep. Okay. Let's just watch him play. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, here he goes. This is offline. Alright. Okay, here he goes. Okay, now it's time to play. Alright, here we go. Okay, now it's just gonna be me. Yeah, yes, I only know how to play. Genius. It's gonna be me. Yeah, it's just gonna Waluigi. No, this is gonna be Wario. Waluigi and Birdo. Okay, here we go. Genius. All right. Hard. No, just normal. Let's go back to normal. Okay. Alright. Let's do it. Alright, let's do it, people. Alright. Okay, so what do we do? Hey, Mario, what should I do? You just have to, you have to, oh yeah, never mind. I have to go to, Yoshi's Island. Okay. There we go. Put, no. Put 10 minutes. No, 10 turns. Yes, 10 turns, alright. Alright, for, that's just for help, alright. Alright. Numbers. Only gonna take one. Okay, here we go. All types. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's do this. People, let's do it. So, ready, Mario? Yes, Luigi, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Alright. I'm just gonna skip reading. Alright. Let's do this. Yes, this is my first time. Candle Island, okay? Uh-oh. That's just Bowser. Okay. I heard a plane. I'm hearing a plane. Alright. Alright. Okay. Wario gets hit. Alright. 7, okay. First Wario. Then me. Birdo. And Waluigi. Alright. Wario. Okay. Wario, looks like you're first. But I'm gonna get the star. Not you, Wario. Not you. Okay. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Alright. Here's the star. Okay. Great. Looks genius right now. Okay. Yep. Just ready for this. Yes. Let's do this, people. Okay. Let's do this thing. Guys, I can't believe those five boys are mad at us yesterday. I know, Pertuba. Those five boys are mad at us. Chicken Little, Mario, Luigi, Toad, and Yoshi. They're all mad at us. Yeah, I can't believe that we have done such a bad thing yesterday. I hate them. Yeah, me too. And I can't even decide what we do today. Yeah, me neither. Me neither, guys. What do we do? Oh, I got an idea. Why don't we just take Chicken Little Switch? Why don't we just take a little Chicken Little Switch? And I'm gonna play Fortnite. How does that sound? Sounds like a great idea, Pertuba. Yeah, let's do that. Yes. Yeah, can't wait to do that. Yeah. Okay. So all we gotta do is just take Chicken Little Switch, and and then I'm gonna make you play Fortnite, Pertuba, right? That's right, Evil Luigi. We can do that. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's do that. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's do that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is a mini game. All right. This is a mini game, alright? Let's do this, alright? It says bombs away. Bombs away, alright. Here we go, just get this, alright. Alright. I might have to jump right now, okay. Alright, let's do this thing, people, alright. Here we go. Okay, oh. Let's do that one we're gonna lose tonight. Okay, to not lose, alright, not gonna lose. Finally, I won. Yeah! I won. Yes, I win. Hey, Mario, check it out. Wow, Luigi, you won. Yeah. Yeah, I won. That's cool. Oh, that's cool, Luigi. You won. That's cool. Yeah, I know. All right. All right. 2 turns. All right. Turn number 2. All right. Turn number 2. There we go. All right. Alright. Yeah, I was yawning. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Oh, Luigi, it's your turn. Alright, my turn. Here we go. 10. Okay. Alright. Alright, there it is. That's cool. Yep, that's very cool. No! Really? Okay. Alright. Yeah. Luigi, they're gonna, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna eat dinner right now. So I'm gonna go eat dinner. Yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower. All right. I'm gonna go take a shower. All right. You're gonna have one. All right. All right. I'm gonna click sleep mode, real quick. There's sleep mode. All right. I'm gonna go take a shower. Oh, there's the switch, right here. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I was just gonna do. All you have to do is just take the switch, and you're gonna play Fortnite. Okay. Yes. All right. We're gonna go over there. Okay. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna take the switch. All right. Okay. Now, so let's just sit down. All right. All right. Here we go. No. What? Someone's playing Super Mario Party. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off. All right. Yeah, someone doesn't need this. All right. Let's go shopping. Where's Fortnite? I need to go shopping. Oh, yes, I'm gonna use that one. All right. Nintendo eShop, alright. Skip password. What the hell? Okay. What's the password, guys? What's the password? I don't know. I never read the password. Me neither. I think I'll just go back. Alright, where can I find... okay. Well, I guess it's just nothing. No settings. Alright, which one is it? Alright, now it's got to finish taking a shower, so go. What the? What? Hey, what do you guys think you're doing? Luigi, what are you doing here? What does it look like? Berchba, why are you taking Chicken Little Switch? You know I need to play Mario Party. What? Did you just exit out? Yes, because I just want to play Fortnite, and there's no Fortnite in this game. Yeah, you don't deserve Fortnite, Berchba. Oh, why do you touch Chicken Little Switch? Because I want to play Fortnite. That's all. You can't play Fortnite. Not if you can. Everybody out. Now, leave. Get out. Darn. Alright, I can't believe this. This is crazy. Okay, Luigi, just finished eating dirt. Now what's going on? All those three boys wanted to play Fortnite on Chicken Little Switch, and they just exit out. What the? Oh, man. You know what? I'm not gonna let them play Fortnite ever again. Alright? Alright. I'm just gonna play this one. Alright, I'm just gonna continue playing. Alright.